Today we will be testing the RSI Momentum Trend Indicator. Before we do, if you have not watched the first videos on the channel and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. You can find a link down below to sign up for TradingView. If you use that link, you'll save a little bit of money on your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. If you are interested in a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested along with their win rates, you can sign up for our Patreon. And you will receive a full list of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested. You can find a link to our Patreon down below in the description. We also have a Patreon only exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators, a list of winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the RSI Momentum Trend Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 103 different strategies, with 30 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 84% win rate. That is the Academy of Forex indicator with the Z-score probability indicator. I will put a thumbnail of that video up on screen right now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. That way you can go straight there and watch that video on the best strategy that we have tested so far. We've also tested a total of 988 indicators, with 416 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test most of these indicators and strategies on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are testing the RSI Momentum Trend Indicator. You can see it here on screen. And so the source video claims that this new momentum indicator gives strong buy and sell signals with 100% accuracy. And so the indicator itself basically just consists of this background here, this cloud of red and green coloration. And you can see here that, scroll back a little bit here, this is where we were doing the testing. You can see that it gives off these negative tags here and these positive tags here. And so what we did in the testing was we looked for the negative tag or the positive tag. When we got a negative tag, that was a signal to go short. When we got a positive tag, that was a signal to go long. And so it was a pretty easy setup. Let's go ahead and take a look at a few signals here. Let's go ahead and play this forward. Alright, let's back this up just a little bit there. That way we can play it just one bar at a time here. Alright, so you see that the tag appears on the candle as it closes. Prints that candle there. That would be a short signal. We have that red negative tag there on this candle. And if we play it forward here, you can see that we get a decent little push to the downside there. That would be enough to get us to our take profit. So let's go ahead and take a look at another signal here. Alright, so you see that we pick up the positive tag right here. It's going to be a buy signal, and you can see that we get a really nice push right straight up there, and that one would have also gotten us to our take profit. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and fast forward through the testing that we think will get too long, and we'll pick this up when we are at the end of the year. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are looking for a profitable trading strategy, I highly suggest you check out the best strategy that we have tested on the channel here. It was able to achieve an 84% win rate. I'll put a screenshot up of the thumbnail to that video right now. I'll link to it up in the corner, and I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Like I said, it is a highly profitable trading strategy, was able to achieve an 84% win rate. It uses one of our custom indicators that we've developed here on the channel, as well as a trading view indicator, and all around it is a wonderful trading strategy. I highly recommend you check that out. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this one. So we did the 50 trade test like we are doing now, and out of those 50 trades, we got a 24 winning trades and 26 losing trades. It's going to put us at a 48% win rate. And so if you kind of scroll back here a little bit, you can see that I think the biggest issue with this indicator was that it seemed to constantly give signals right as the market was making a little bit of a pullback and correction. And so it's not that the indicator was necessarily a bad indicator. I think something about the timing of it just didn't work out quite right. You can see here that we get a sell signal, and then pretty much immediately this spike back, or this correction. It's a little bit of a hard one here, not like some of the others, but we get a correction here and then a push back to the downside. Not a huge push, but maybe enough to have gotten us to our take profit. Here's another example right here. We get the positive buy signal right here, and then immediately we get this pullback in consolidation before this huge push right to the upside, which definitely would have gotten us to our take profit. Here again, as soon as it enters, we get a pullback. Let's see, so quite a few times. Here, as soon as it gave us the signal, we get I guess that's a switch in the direction there. Same here, a little bit delayed in these cases. And so, yeah, I mean, all in all, it just seemed like it was struggling to give accurate signals. So unfortunately, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.